Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing Thomas and Clarabel. Let's go unbox this. Alright, we unboxed Clarabel, Annie, and Thomas. So it's just a classic Thomas, so don't worry about that. So we're taking a look at Annie and Clarabel. Okay. Alright, Annie, let's see. They both have the same faces, of course. But except this one has the back coupling, and this one has the front coupling. So the front coupling is Annie, and the back coupling is Clarabel. See their names. I can't review the Annie and Clarabel. I actually have in the other Annie and Clarabel, the Tomy one. So they never have Annie and Clarabel in Trackmaster since the I think it was the Thomas Airplane, and there was something else. Oh yeah, Red versus Blue Thomas. I think I got Red versus Blue Thomas. Like, the Annie clip are really short, but these Annie clip, they're really long. They're starting a new generation. You can see inside. I can see there are some chairs. I think it just says those chairs, and they're the same. And ignore my Ninjago figures. Oh, let me show you this new character. This guy, his name is Andros, and yes, he has the Zane movie head and hair from Lord Garmadon. I think he's gonna there's the business Garmadon. I think he's got the white hair on top, and this one is these clothes are from Lloyd, and yeah, and he is the dark ninja that a gem possesses. So he's the dark ninja. It comes with an Oni thing and the mask from Cole and the shoulder pads. I forgot what the shoulder pads were from, but because Andros is the dark ninja, because his let me tell you a story about Andros. Andros is Lloyd's friend from Bad Boy School, and then when he was going off to the mountains, he saw a dark gem, and then strapped it onto his wrist. Not like the gem strap on is the wrist, and then he got a vision of the dark ninja, and then he became evil. Well, he's the gem, and then is controlling the human body. So, yeah, I'll make a review of Ninjago. Well, no. So, yeah. Yeah, Andros and the Dark. And yes, this is from inside it. This one's from Pixel. See, no Pixel's not the Dark Ninja. That's Andros. The jump is on. Let me get that on. Alright, very good. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Bye.